Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling NFC on your phone and verifying the device supports tag writing. Once done, confirm the tag type. NTag 213, 215, or 216 are best because capacity and locking differ. Open the NFC Writer app and allow any permissions it requests. The app needs access to NFC and sometimes location. Tap the back of your phone to the tag to scan it. You'll see tag info like UID and size. Make note of available memory before creating content. Now you build the payload. Pick URL for links, text for notes, Wi-Fi for network creds, or MIME for app data. You need to watch tag capacity. If content exceeds memory, shorten it or use a shortened URL because writes fail otherwise. Configure multiple records if you want fallback actions. The first record usually defines primary behavior. Before writing, choose whether to make areas read-only or enable password protection. This prevents accidental rewrites, but is irreversible for read-only settings. To finish, initiate the write and hold the tag steady to your phone until the app confirms success. Immediately rescan to verify the exact content and record order. Test the result on the device or app that will use the tag. If writing fails, make sure the tag isn't already locked, try another tag type, or use a different phone app. Some apps handle certain MIME or Wi-Fi records better. One key tip: if a tag seems dead, test its UID read. A readable UID means content issues, not hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.